Oh.
Do some smoking. All right, we got the whole squad out here. We got the Mudboss, the Maxx Slash, and the X-Maxx. Uh-oh.
Keep doing it. It'll eventually go over.
Oh, yeah?
Just floor it, right?
Oh my God. Oh my God.
You see how women treat us?
Yeah.
Why
Are you doing that?
No.
Why are you breaking a perfectly good Mudboss that some kid could have?
Rude.
No, but it looks like.
Murderer.
My intrusive thought was like throw the remote on the ground, and then I was like, wait, this isn't mine.
No, don't do that. Let's do it. Hold on, let me use you real quick.
It was not me this time, it was the white skinny man.
The white skinny man's fault. Can the X-Maxx do the stairs? There we go. Now we're going over a little bridge.
So somewhere over here, I forgot where it is. There's a phone down there on the rock.
Is it your phone?
Yep.
What happened?
I threw it. I got mad.
You just threw your phone down there? Crazy.
How long ago?
It's like a year and a half ago.
Wow.
But it was there like a couple
A nice little river in Toilet, Texas.
Stop running over me!
I'm sorry. I didn't mean to run you over.
Ow!
Oh,
Okay.
you're good. Come on, go.
I'm trying to turn my way!
Okay. Oh, there's carnage back here already.
You can't drive.
Where are you going?
I don't know! Ah!
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. That's melted the body.
Grab this thing and eat it. What are you doing? Floor it. Go.
Oh my God, it does smell like plastic burning. You're good. You're good.
Really, you get stuck on a little bush? Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh. We haven't even gotten to our spot yet.
I haven't even gotten to the place to do all these games. Oh my god.
Jesus. Ow, I got hit by the rocks. Come on, Maxx Slash, get out of there. Here he comes. Oh, he's angry. He's angry. Really angry. We found a massive rock. Jesus. All right, hold up. Oh my God. Ow, my neck. Jesus. Don't worry, I got you. I'm trying to get back up here. Oh. 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 Oh, dude. My eyelids got good reaction time. Jesus. Coming down backwards, huh?
This thing is useless.
Oh. Come on, Muddy. Oh, God, what's that noise?
Come on, Muddy.
Muddy. Come on, Mudboss. Byron is literally in the tall weeds over here. Is in the tall weeds. Byron already broke a tire. Jesus, dude, what happened?
Guess when I got caught up in the weeds, it unmentaled it.
What are you missing? Just a nut?
And the thingamajigger. But I blew a tire.
Oh, you blew that tire?
Yeah.
Did you forget about that tire? Oh, he's still driving a three-wheel.
Hey, he just put me outside.
They did with 3 wheels.
3 wheels.
Oh my God. What just happened? Oh my God. Well, she's up underneath her. I'll take you for a ride along.
It'll start sparking hot.
Oh, I see it, yeah. Oh my gosh. Oh, she broke it.
Oh.
Cass broke it.
Oh no.
I'm sorry.
You broke our toy.
I'm sorry.
Are you kidding me, Cass? How did you break that? Weed whacker. Oh, he's happy. That's what he wanted.
Whenever I smacked the as good as whenever that happened.
Yeah, I bet it was. 3-wheel drive, Maxx Slash.
Oh no.
It's screaming so loud. Oh.
We'll never recover from this.
You broke some again? Why? Why do you think you broke
It's
some?
not doing anything at all that it's supposed to do.
Drive shaft?
Yeah, I broke the front drive shaft.
Dude, something's smoking.
Huh?
What's smoking? Look. It's smoking
Probably
right
the
there.
diff.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's grease. Look at, oh. Dude, look at this drive shaft over here.
Oh yeah. I think you've shredded the front diff. Dude, it is still smoking right now.
It's fine, it'll be fine.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh. Dude, it's really smoking now. What the heck?
No. It's a Maxx Slash. It ain't gonna be. What the f you spraying over there?
It's in my throat.
Oh my God.
It's off Deepwood's dry spray because it's
Like Offwoods.
We walked over here and it's like in our throat.
What did he say?
Oh my gosh.
You know, this makes me mad. Adults throwing tantrums because their toy's broken. Broken in the toy.
You broke it in your good toy.
It's okay. It hasn't broken yet.
I don't know what was on fire though, dude.
I don't either.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
This makes me angry.
Oh no. He just got the train.
This makes me really angry.